Hello guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about how to Dockerize your Spring Boot application. I hope you have Docker desktop or Docker installed in your machine. If you don't have, you can also follow this article. I'll just paste this link in the description. Okay, let's start with creating Spring Boot project. Okay, let's go to here and change the version to Maven, and let's add Spring Web dependency and change the package to com.love-to-learn. Okay, and artifact to Spring Boot Docker, and here I'm not changing the Java version because in my local I have JDK 17 installed. Suppose in your local JDK 8 is installed, just change the version name to 8. Okay, if you just click on this and write, the project will be downloaded. I'm not doing it because I have already downloaded this project, guys, and I have already imported because it is taking so much time to be imported to import this project in Eclipse or Spring Toolsuite. So just to save your time, I imported it before only. And now let's start with creating a Docker file. Give a right click on the project and click on file and just give the name Dockerfile. Okay, please give capital D, guys. Okay, it's case sensitive, so give capital D and others are small letters. Click on finish. So let's start writing our Docker file. Usually what happens is every Docker image is built on a base image. Okay, every Docker image will be built on a base image. Based on the application you are creating, you have to select your base image. Here I'm going to create a Spring Boot application. So what I'm doing, I'm giving OpenJDK 17. If you have JDK 8 installed in your machine, please give 8. Okay, and other one is exposing our port for internal communication of the container. Okay guys, and other thing is adding our Spring Boot jar file to Docker. Okay, it means here what we are doing means it is add command and it is the source and it is the destination. It means we will add the jar file in the target folder to Docker, guys. Okay, to the Docker image like that. And what we will do, I need to run some command here. Okay, Java comma hyphen jar, sorry, it's jar comma springboot.jar. So what I need to do, if I need the jar file to be generated with the same name, I need to change it here. I want to add something like final name tag. Okay, I came here and I just am writing some tag like final name. Let's give a Spring Boot. Now we are done with creating a Docker file and writing the instructions in it, and now we are done with giving the final name tag here. Right, now let's try to create some test controller. Okay, it's for testing purpose after deploying our application in the Docker. Okay, now let's try to build our application once, run as Maven build. Okay, meanwhile let's open command prompt. Okay, let's give some commands for creating the Docker image. Okay, here -t refers to tag. Okay, it means it is for giving name and tag for our image. Here I'm giving name is springboot.jar and our tag name is my tag, my underscore tag. If I don't give tag name here, it will, what it will do means it will create the tag name as latest. Okay, let's try to build our image, assemble our image, and let's check what are the images we have in our machine. I have only one image. Its name is springboot.jar and the tag is my tag. Okay, now let's try to run our container. Okay, how to run the container means we have a command. Okay, docker run -p 9090 and 8080. Let's give our springboot.jar. It is nothing but image name. Okay, and we are using 8080 for internal communication of container, and on 9090 our docker container will be deployed on this port. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. It will take some time. Okay, actually it's stuck, guys, otherwise it will not take much time. Let's try to click on it. Okay, yeah, now I understood what is the problem here. What I am doing means I am trying to give my image name as springboot jar. Okay, but I have created on some tag, right? What is the tag here? My underscore tag. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds now. Yeah, the application will be started. Actually, if I don't give tag as my tag, by default the tag name will be latest, and so there is no need to give the tag name like this here. Okay, if you just given the tag name, for sure you have to give the tag name while you are creating the container. Otherwise, if you not give the tag name, there is no need to mention the tag name while you are using this docker run command. Now I need to test it, right? So what I can do means I can go to the containers here and click on it. So it will be opened in browser, and let's give our endpoint. Let's hit our endpoint here. So we are getting some expected result, right? Here we are giving container result. Now I think so you guys got how to create a Docker file and how to create an image and how to create a container and how to test it, right? But if you need more in detail explanation about what is Docker image with definitions and container and what is container and all things, you can also refer my article. Okay, have just given every description here how to do these things. Okay, I have just given some more description in detail about these commands. Okay, by step, and what is this team in tag mean and everything. Okay, describing every image and everything. Okay, for more in detail explanation you can just refer my article also. Okay, if you have any queries, please comment it in comment section.